all want value in any product that we buy, and a scissor lift is no different. I'm Rebecca Yates, product manager for material handling here at JCB, and I'm going to show you where you're going to see the value of the JCB scissor lift. So first, we're going to start off with, we've got an S1930E scissor lift, and that is 19-foot lift height. It's got a 30-inch wide platform, and E for electric. We've got a wide number of models that are available, so we can make sure that you have the right scissor lift to fit your application. We don't want you paying more for something that you don't need. So right off the bat, we're going to make sure that you've got the right scissor for your application. Next, you always want to talk about retained value. So even if you got rid of this sometime later, you want to make sure that you got as much money back as you could, if you can actually give it up. But at JCB, we use a high quality paint. It's going to protect the machine from rust or other kind of just general everyday use. Also, you'll see our design is very robust. We've got full pivot bosses here, not just half. You can see how thick the scissor pack is, and that really goes to show how well we've designed it, because we know that it's going to go through some rough applications. So it's really going to be able to retain that value for you in the future. Also, to be able to get your machine to be of value, it has to be in the right place. So it's got foldable rails, so you can put those down and get through doorways. We also have fork pockets on the end, where if you needed to use a forklift to pick the machine up and put it on a truck, or just drive it to another spot on your job site, you're really going to be able to make sure that you're working efficiently and with as much productivity as possible. Also, we're going to talk about uptime. So we always know that sometimes something's going to happen. If that does, we have easy to access components. So it's easy to open, easy to close. We also have a good display here. If there is any troubleshooting that's needed, you're going to be able to quickly see what the issue is and get it fixed. Lastly, we're going to talk about ease of use. If the machine's not easy to use, you're not going to be productive, and it's not going to be valuable for you. So you can control from the platform, and this can come down, you can walk with the machine, or you can control from the ground. So you're really able to make sure that anyone operating the machine knows what they're doing, it's easy to use, and you're going to see that value because they're going to be working even more efficiently and effectively for you. So as you can see, the JCB scissor lift has value from the bottom to the top, and if you want to see that in person, I'd recommend you visit one of your local JCB dealers or visit our website at jcb.com.